Cascading style sheets stands for, CSS stands for cascading style sheets. There are three ways in which we can present our HTML documents well. So the first one is inline CSS. Here, along with the tag itself, I will give the style attribute, and in the style attribute, I can specify the attribute colon value. So here, for this particular paragraph tag, let me show you the result here. This is the paragraph tag. Here, I want color equal to green, font size equal to large. So like, let's say if I specify some other color, I save it and I refresh it here, you can see that the color is changed to something else. Okay. Then I have a division, I have a h2 tag and a paragraph tag within a division tag. Division tag is basically to divide separate parts of the document. Now here, I have the h2 and the p tag. So this is this h2 tag and the p tag. Now there are three ways to include CSS in our documents. First one is this inline CSS. Inline CSS means along with the tag itself, I will specify the style attribute and give the attribute colon the value. Attribute colon the value. The second way is internal or embedded CSS. In the style tag, that was style attribute. This is style tag in the head tag, within which I can specify whatever I want to. So like here, body tag, for the body tag, these are the qualifiers. That is, the font has to be this, background color has to be this, font size has to be 26 pixels. For the h1 tag, I am specifying it has to be, color has to be dark blue and the text has to be aligned towards the center. So wherever we see h1 tag, this is the functionality that will be applied. That's one more way. And the second, and here you will see something called as dot box and hash h2 id. Now what is this dot box? Dot box basically refers to the class. So here in the division tag, I have specified class equal to box. Now whichever tag has class equal to box, for that this particular formatting is going to get applied. And what is the formatting here? That is, the background color padding is 55 pixels. Padding is 55 pixels, as in you are seeing this distance here. Margin is 50 pixels. So from here, this margin you are seeing, that is 50 pixels. Border is 2 pixels and it has to be of a particular color. Let me give it of some other color. See, now you can see the border of some other color. Let me specify this as margin as 5 pixels. See this, so this is the margin, this is the padding. Margin is nothing but the distance between the end of the page and our border. Padding is the distance between the border and the content. So if I make this to 155 pixels, see, this is 155 pixels as per this page. And here background is specified as white, and that's why we are seeing this as white. If I specify the background as something else, so basically here dot box, as in box is the class name. Because it is the class name, I should specify dot box. Only then my system will understand that it is referring to the tags whichever has the class as box. The next one is hash. Hash ID, hash selector can be used whenever we specify ID. So class is given to separate formatting for a set of tags, like whichever has the class name as box, for them that formatting will be applied. ID is used for particular element alone, like h2 ID equal to this about CSS. Now let us see what formatting has been given here. Font size equal to large, that is given. Let me also specify some background color as okay. So this is going to be the background color. Let me see the difference. Font size large. For about CSS it is. This for particular formatting is for about CSS, and you can see that about CSS is appearing in this background, is in this blanched almond color. Blanched almond color. So this is the second kind of CSS, okay, which is internal or embedded CSS. Tag name can be given, class name can be given. Class name is to separately apply the formatting to one class. Let's say we have some items to be displayed. Now whenever there is any item to be displayed, I would want the price to appear on the left, if view in stock to appear on the right, something like this. So now here I can specify like that. And hash is for an ID for only one particular element. The next one is external CSS. Now external CSS is given in again in head tag, but using the link tag. Link tag, the type of the document is style sheet and it is referring to styles.css. So in my folder there is a file called styles.css, which is specifying the paragraph tag color, the li, that is the list tag, the color brown and font weight is bold, and the body, for body the margin has to be 20 pixels. So this is additional attributes that are specified, and this is what we can see here. See, this is brown in color. Here margin of 20 pixels is specified. For paragraph tag, color is red, though it is overwritten by what we have specified, but yeah, that this is how it is getting its red color. So like this we can specify which element should have what formatting. There are three ways to do this: inline CSS, specifying it along, internal, or external.